this video, I'll be teaching you how to get a red spiked colour really fastly in Animal Jam. So, the settings you want to do, sorry if I'm like, it sounds like a meeting, I am, is to take either a dog, a bat, a kitten, or a bum or honeybee. You're going to play Bittersweet and get some clothing later from the either bat, dog, bee, or kitten passive. I've gone for dogs, that's the quickest. Here we go. Okay. I used to do the bee passage, but because I'm a member, I can get a dog. So I'm doing a dog. Not what I'm looking for, but I guess I can keep it. Okay. I'll just keep trying until I get a clothing base. Okay guys, you need to get about 1, 2, 3, 9 to 10 clothing baiters. It took me so long, I couldn't get any clothing baiters. So just keep playing Bittersweet till you get there. I already had this. So yeah. I'm gonna start, and then what you need to do is ask people to trade them baiters for your clothing baiters. Okay? Like, let's go to a big world. Reddit to the Shopkin. I took this idea of him. So yeah. So yeah, I'll unpause when I've got one. Okay guys, this person asked me 3 clothing baiters. So yeah, I got my first beta. So anyway, you're going to keep trading them up until you get a spike collar. It's worth 6 to 10, depends which one. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Tell me in the comments if it worked.